Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make your profile picture on Discord invisible. So if you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, it's actually really simple, and what you're going to need to do first is download a special kind of image, which I will pop in the video description down below. So if I come across to my Discord, and you can do this on the app or the web-based version, it's completely up to you, it's all down to personal preference really. And what you're going to want to do is come down and click onto settings. And then what's going to happen is going to bring up your account information. And then what you're going to do is click the blue edit profile button. And you'll see there's the profile image here. So what you're going to want to do is hover over and then click onto it to actually change this. And then you're just going to go and click onto this one, which says upload file. So as I say, I'll leave a link for the image in the video description down below, so make sure to download that first. Then we're going to click onto upload file. And then you just want to locate where you saved the image. So this one here, this is what it will be called as well. When you download it, it'll just be called invisible profile image. Just go ahead and double click. And then click apply. And then click Save Changes. And you can see that's now set my profile image as invisible. So if I go back to my profile, and you'll see down here that it's not like a color, it's actually an invisible, it's a special type of file called a .png, which basically makes it transparent and invisible. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.